Hello student, today we will see the second maths lesson, shapes and angles. Rohini and Mohini are twin sisters. They love doing the same things. One day when they were making shapes with matchsticks, Shaila gave them a challenge. Let's see what was the challenge. Rohini will make a shape. Mohini has to make the same without looking at it. But she can ask questions. Yes, what was the challenge? Rohini will make one shape and Mohini has to do the same shape but without looking at the shape. But she can ask some questions. Oh, that is so simple. Now, Rohini made this shape. See this shape which is made from matchsticks. Okay, see this shape. Mohini, is it a closed shape or an open shape? Rohini, it is a closed shape. Mohini, how many sides are there? Rohini, it has 6 sides. So Mohini made this. After listening the answers, Mohini made this type of shape. Again it has 6 sides. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and it is a closed figure. Now you give the answer. It is a closed shape, yes or no? Yes, it is a closed shape. Does it have 6 sides? Yes, it has 6 sides also. But it is not the same as the one made by Rohini. See, it is not the same shape. So Mohini tried again. That is what she made. Now she made another shape. It also has 6 sides. Is it a closed shape with 6 sides? Yes. Is it the same as the one made by Rohini? Again yes. No. It is not the same shape made by Rohini because Rohini shape is hexagon. Is there some way to say in what way these shapes are different? Mohini tried again but got different shapes. Guess and make 2 more shapes Mohini could have made. Solve this exercise in your notebook. Use matchsticks and make the shape which has the same sides 6 and it should be a closed figure. Mohini is now tired of trying and asks Shaila what to do. If you ask for the angles that the matchsticks make at the corners, you can do it. That's what the solution given by the Shaila to Mohini. Oh, so let us look for the angles. Look at the angles marked in these shapes. Can you see the differences? Yes. See, some are small angles and some are big angles. See how the matchsticks make a small angle, a big angle and a bigger angle. Wow, when the angle changes, the shape changes so much. Yes students, we have seen Mohini also made the same closed figure using 6 sides, but it is not same as the one with Rohini. Okay, solve the practice time given on the page number 18 and find out the answer of these questions. See on the next page, one matchstick puzzle is given. Solve these puzzles and try to find out the shapes. Okay. The next is angle tester. How do we make equal angles? Let us make an angle tester. You also have an angle tester in your geometry box. It is called a divider. See here, this is called a divider, which is also used for angle tester. Now let's see how to make angle tester. Cut two strips from a cardboard sheet. Fix them with a drawing pin or such that both the strips can move around easily. So this is made from a cardboard sheet. You also make the angle tester using any material and stick in your notebook. Rohini and Mohini went all around with the angle tester to look for different angles in their glass. Rohini tested the angle of the maths book and the pencil box. Look at the tester. It has opened like the letter L. See here, it has opened like the letter L. This is a right angle. We write it as letter L. Go around with your tester and draw here those things in which the tester opens like the letter L. Are you sure they are all right angles? See, your tabletop, then the mobile, your compass box, all these are examples of objects in which the tester opens like the letter L. Find some other objects and draw in this blank space. Also see, look at the angles in the pictures and fill in the tables. See the angles made in each object and you have to feel that whether it is a right angle, more than a right angle or less than a right angle. Complete this table in your book. Sukhman made this picture with so many angles. Just see this picture carefully. You can find many angles in this picture. Some are big angles, where some are small angles, and some may be right angles. Use color pencils to mark right angles with black color, angles which are more than a right angle with green, and angles which are less than a right angle with blue. And try to find out these angles. Draw anything of your choice around the angle shown also. Write what kind of angles it is. The first one is done for you. See, here the angle which is smaller than the L, that is right angle, is given, and they have drawn the mouth of a crocodile. You can see many angles here and try to draw an object around these angles. Do this exercise in your notebook. See here some activities given. Take a square sheet of paper, fold it in half, fold it once more and press it. Open the large fold so that the sheet is folded in half. Take one corner and fold it to meet the dotted line. On the paper you will find lines making a right angle, an angle less than a right angle, and an angle more than a right angle. Look for each of the angles and mark them with different colors. Do this activity and paste the paper in your notebook. Let's see the next activity. There is another activity, angles with your body. Can you make these angles? A right angle with your hand, an angle less than a right angle with your leg, an angle more than a right angle with your arm, an angle more than a right angle with your body. Try them out, it's fun. Draw them in your notebook using stick drawings like these. You can use matchsticks or anything and draw these body objects which are making right angle or smaller than right angle or angle which is bigger than right angle and paste them in your notebook. Angle garden. My angle dance shows the way. When I see flowers for making honey, I want to tell other bees to show them the way I start dancing. My dance shows the angle between the sun and the flower. There is another activity based on this. Collect some leaves from the garden, color each leaf and print it. Look at the angles on the leaves. Which of them are more or less than a right angle? Do this activity in your notebook. I am a woodpecker. My beak is sharp because it has to cut the wood. Hey, look at that bird. Its beak has an angle less than a right angle. She is talking about this bird. Look for the birds which have beaks with small angles. In the picture, mark angles between the two branches. Which two branches have the biggest angle? Find out. Angles in names. We have angles everywhere in our surrounding, in our neighborhood. You just have to find them. You know there are angles in the letters of our names too. See here, one name is written Sukhman, Sukhman, and we can find many angles in these letters. In my name there are 11 right angles. There are also 10 angles less than a right angle. Now there is one activity for you. Write 3 names using straight lines and count the angles. Complete this activity in your notebook. There is another activity. Put 10 Maths Magic books on top of each other. Keep one book slanting to make a slide. See this way. They have kept some books on top of each other and one book slanting. Now do this with 6 books. Roll a ball from the top. From which slide does the ball roll down faster? Which slide has the smaller angle? Find out the answer by observing this picture. These are 2 slides in a park. See the one and the second one. Which slide has large angle? Which slide do you think is safer for the little boy or boy? Just find out. See, this slide is very steep, but it has a gentle slope. So this is more safer for the children. Changing shapes. Things you need: use or pneumatics, piece of rubber tube used in cycle walls. Clean the black end of the matchsticks. Cut small pieces of the tube about 1 centimeter long. Push 2 matchsticks into each end of a tube piece. Add more matchsticks to form a triangle. See here, the shape is made using matchsticks and a tube. Now make these 4, 5, 6 sided shapes by using tube pieces and matchsticks. You can use any other material also, like straw. Find out how many angles are there in each of these shapes. Mark them. Now push each shape downwards with the tip of your finger. Does the angle change when pushed down by the fingers? See, they have shown one picture here, whether they are pushing this angle down, it will change? Yes, it will definitely change. Find out and write your results in the table given. Complete this table by observing the figures in your notebook. Shapes and towers. Look for triangles in the pictures below. See here, we can see some triangles. Again here and here also. From the activity changing shapes, can you guess why triangles are used in these towers, bridges, etc.? Try to find out the answer of this question. Look around and find out more places where triangles are used. Angle and time. Yes, we can see many angles using clocks. Zenith, your watch does not have digits. How do you read time? I just see the angles. See, when the hands make a right angle, I know it is 9 o'clock. See the picture here. There are many times in a day when the hands of a clock make a right angle. Now you draw some more. Draw different types of clocks and show the different angles made by the clock in your notebook. Write what kind of angle is made by the hands at these times. Also write the time. See, some pictures are given, some clocks are there and their hands are making some angles. Find out the angles made by those clocks. Now, draw the hands of the clock when they make an angle which is less than a right angle, means which is less than a 90 degree. Also write the time. Degree clock. Appu and Kittu are playing carom board. Appu hit the striker. It comes back at the same angle. In the picture, 3 points A, B and C are shown. A, B and C. Draw a line to show from which point Kittu should hit to get the queen. I have joined these 3 points here. Point A is the appropriate point. If you want, you can measure the angle in degrees using a degree clock. Degree is written as like this. Again, one activity is given, making a degree clock. Cut a circle out of a paper and fold as shown in the picture. And you have to write down the degrees. Yes, make the degree clock and paste in your notebook with angles written on it. Your degree clock is now ready. As I said, we see angles everywhere. Now let's see angles in a paper aeroplane. All of us make paper aeroplane. Take a square sheet of paper and fold them like shown in the picture. And now your plane is ready to fly. How well does it fly? Find the angles of 45 degree and 90 degree when you open your plane. So do this exercise. Put one closed plane, paste it in your notebook and another paper where you open up this aeroplane and mark the 45 degree and 90 degree on that paper and stick that paper in your notebook. Many of us do yoga, or your parents must be doing yoga at home. Let's see the angles with yoga. Rahmat is doing yoga. These are the pictures of different asanas he does every day. See here, some different angles are marked while doing the yoga. Estimate the measure of many angles as you can made by different parts of the body while doing asanas. Let's see the D game. Let's see what is it. You can play the D game with your friends. You draw an angle. Your friend will guess the measure of that angle. Then you use your D to measure it. The differences between the measured angle and the guess will be your friend's score. The one with the lowest score will be the winner. Make the chart, draw an angle, guess it, measure it and score them. You can find this D in your geometry box. Measure the angle on my head fan. Now see students, I have this angle measurer in my hand, which is also known as the protractor. You will find this in your compass box. We measure different angles using it. How to use it, that I will tell you in my next video. Thank you.